Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? It's your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. And today I decided to make a quick video on something that I keep seeing post on pretty much every Durango Facebook group that I'm on, or even in online forums. And it's the ever so elusive light that won't turn off. So I had this problem pretty much when I first got my Durango, and I had no idea what was going on. I opened the door, I closed it, turned the dome lights on, off, just hitting this button here like crazy, which this is a separate light. I even took this apart. Drove me nuts. I think I searched for about half hour. I drove with this light on. It was nighttime and it drove me nuts. So this is gonna be very simple. See this button right here next to your hatch release. That's it. It's that simple. It's your map light. So hopefully that was helpful to some of you. It's your man Charlie Anthony back with another FYI DIY video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn your map light off. Have a good one.